In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run Quora Ads. Why should you run Quora Ads? Currently, there are over 300 million monthly users on their platform. 50% of Quora users are American. Every month, Quora has 300 million unique monthly visitors. 300 million every month, and 50% of those 300 million are Americans. And in the US, Quora users are highly educated. They are from middle to upper class neighborhoods in metropolitan cities. So the good thing about Quora is not only the quantity of people, but the quality. So Quora has high quality audience for your business. I know that's what you're looking for if you want to promote your services, business, your product. This is exactly what you're looking for. Another thing is that Quora is a site for question and answer, like it's a platform for question and answer. So most people on Quora, they're either asking questions or answering questions. One important feature that Quora has is this laser ad targeting. You can target people that are searching for a particular topic. Since it's a question and answer platform, it's easier to target people that are searching for exactly what you have to offer. The ads are more relevant than most other social media platforms. Let's say a Facebook, where you can just be scrolling randomly on your feed and an ad may pop up to you that may or may not be relevant to you, the person. Okay, but most of the ads you're going to see on Quora are going to be related to the questions you're asking and what you're all about. The third thing is that the CPC on Quora is low, very low compared to many other platforms. If you catch what I'm saying right now, you're going to do very well if you learn how to run Quora ads. Just follow me as I show you how to run it. First thing you need to do is to create a Quora account. So you can just sign up, but if you have Quora account, just log into your dashboard. So this is the home page. Come on your profile here and create ad. And this page is going to open up Quora for Business. So we have to create a Quora for Business account so we can be able to run ads. So I'm going to click Get Started. I'm going to input the name I want for the account and my email. Going to the next, fill in the form. All right, so put my details and start advertising. Okay, so in order to receive updates regarding your account, please confirm your email. So I have to confirm my email. We have created a business account. We have to now confirm our email so that we can get notifications. I'll do that. Here I am on the email. Congratulations, we verified our account, and we can just scroll down to just complete the information about your business. You can also add users, admin that can run ads on your Quora Business Manager. So what we're actually interested in is to run our ads. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, moving on, you can see that this is a fresh Quora account. There is no ad on it. We've not done anything, we just created it. And this is exactly what you're going to have if this is your first time. So what we are going to do is to create a new campaign. Come here, click on create campaign. I'm going to explain to you what a campaign is, an ad set and an ad. So there are 3 levels in running an ad. For any platform you use like Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Quora, it's the same thing. Even TikTok, you have the campaign, you have the ad set, and you have the ad. If it's on Google, or that is YouTube, you have the campaign, you have the ad group, and then the ad. So the ad group is the same thing as the ad set. What is a campaign? A campaign is dependent on your objective. What you want to achieve with the advert. Okay, do you want to grow your awareness for your business? Do you want to get lead generation? Do you want to make sales conversion or drive traffic or get video views, app installs? What exactly do you want? So when you choose your objective, it controls the overall setup of your ad. So for every objective you choose, the way the ads is going to convert is different. A campaign can be, let's say I'm running campaign for a particular product. So that product has its own campaign, and inside the campaign, I'm running different ads, maybe awareness. Inside the same campaign, I can target different people. That is an ad set level. Okay, inside the campaign, promoting my product. Okay, let's say I'm promoting my YouTube course. I can target different segments of people. I can target different audiences and also use different ad creative. By ad creatives, I mean your video. Is it a picture, a video, or text? Picture, video, and text, the combination. What people see, what they interact with is the ad creative. You can see the levels. The campaign is the highest level. Then you go down one level, you have the ad set and then the ad. So an ad, we have multiple ads in one ad set. You have multiple ad sets under a campaign. If you want to run advertisement for different products or services, you can have different campaigns. So one campaign for a particular product, and then you can now have different ad sets targeting a different set of people. So the ad set is all about your audience, the targeting, the gender, information about where your ads is going to show. But under the ad level, you have the different creative that you're going to employ. So what people interact with. So you can use three different ad creatives for one ad set, or as the case may be, you can split two ad sets, two different ad creatives, or use the same ad creative for two ad sets, use another ad creative for another ad set. So, you just experiment and experiment, because the best thing about advertising is that you keep experimenting. You don't know what will work for sure, but you experiment. Let's choose awareness. Okay, so I want to create awareness, and minimum daily budget is select $5. So you can choose your daily budget or a lifetime budget. But if you have a lifetime budget, it can be like choose a time frame. Let's say a period of 10 days, and your budget is $50. You understand? So, but we are going to use daily budget, minimum daily budget, which is $5. We can start immediately or set a start and end date. So, I'm just going to say start immediately. That is all. What's the campaign name? Let me say YouTube course. So, I want to promote my YouTube course and continue. Ad set level, awareness ad set. Okay. So, where am I going to target the locations? So, just choose your locations, and okay. That is it. So we can use contextual targeting. This is exactly what I was talking about. You can use topics. So I can say YouTube. Let's search YouTube. Okay, so let's use YouTube. You can see the potential weekly impression that my ad is going to get for my budget. Okay, so this is not really a good keyword, so I'm going to try another one. YouTube. Okay, so I think this is good. So YouTube company, and we can try YouTube channels. Okay, so you can select. They're going to suggest for you. You can either use topics or keywords. What you want to use, like YouTube growth, and try that out. Or let's say email marketing. Okay, so you can use a keyword just like this. But I'd say you should try out topics, because topics have more impression. So let's say the same thing for email marketing. Email market. You can see the impression 3 million to 3.5 million. But on that keywords, so it wasn't much. And you can also target questions. Let's say how to make money. What's the best way to make money online? I target this question. Very powerful. What's the easiest way to make money online? But as you can see, the more narrow your keyword is, the higher your CPC and the lower your impression. So you get to choose between reach and how specific you want your ad to be. Okay, how targeted you want it to be. I'll probably just leave it broad. Go back to my YouTube. How can we get more YouTube subscribers? How do people earn more on YouTube? How do I earn through YouTube? So you can see these are valid questions. How do I start a channel on YouTube? So I can target these questions with my ad. Also, I can target the device used, that is mobile or desktop. I'll just run the ad to all device types, all genders. I'm not excluding any question. You can exclude an audience and exclude questions. Then you can choose placements, okay, in feeds, in questions, or digest email. I'm going to put all placements. You can also select a bid for this kind of question. So I'm going to go back to my topic. This contextual targeting. You can also set your audience. If you have an audience, you can also choose behavioral targeting. There are a couple of targeting options you can use with Quora. You can use the contextual targeting, audience targeting, behavioral targeting, or broad targeting. So you can either use contextual targeting, audience targeting, behavioral targeting, or broad targeting. There are four major targeting options you can use on Quora. You have the contextual targeting, which I recommend. You can search by topics. okay, or keywords or questions. You can also search, you have a pixel and you have an audience list. You already have an audience, you want to run ads to that particular audience, you can do that here. Also, you can run ads to people with specific interests, behavioral targeting, keyword history, and question history. This last one is a broad targeting, which doesn't have any discrimination. You just run ads to everyone using Quora, just spread the net very wide. So you can choose, but for this tutorial, I'm going to be using contextual targeting. I'm going to be selecting topics and bid amount 0.2. I'm just going to leave it here, and cost per click. Okay, I want more impressions. Okay, cost per impression. So I'm gonna put. Okay, so remember that this ad is to increase awareness. So I'm gonna choose cost per impression instead of cost per click. I'll select the suggested bid. Continue. You can see what we've been able to. We've chosen our location. You can exclude the location also. Exclude maybe some cities in these countries. You can exclude locations, choose the primary targeting, choose additional targeting, and continue. So what are we using to run this ad? Remember I told you in the ad level, what you have is the creative, which is what people interact with. So you can see it can be an image or a video or a text or an answer. You're promoting an answer. This is an image ad, a video ad. You can see the preview here, a text ad, or an answer. So you can see this. Let's go with image ad, business name, headline sentence, and to grow. Choose your headline, body text. I've put my headline and body text, call to action, learn more, choose the image. I'm going to use I've put my image. The next thing is to put my landing page, and we're done. Okay, so I've chosen the format, my business name, my logo, everything is there. The headline, the body text, call to action, image, logo, and the landing page URL. So I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to add a payment method. So you can add a payment method. This is an individual account. Don't have a tax ID number. So I've added my debit card and I can continue. So I'm going to review it. Yes, headline, description, CTA, landing page. And I'm good with this. You can see the ad. So this is the ad that we've set in motion right now. Okay, so this is it. I've been able to show you how you can run a Quora ad. It's actually very easy. I think it's easier than Facebook, easier than YouTube, Google Ads. I think this is like almost the easiest platform to run ads right now because everything is easy to understand, the platform is easy to navigate, and it's kind of straightforward. So if you're looking for platforms where you can run your ad for more results, less saturation, and less ad cost, Quora is not saturated. More people, they still go to Facebook, YouTube, and other platform, Instagram, to run ads, but Quora is not saturated yet. So you can maximize this platform to grow your business, to sell your products, sell your services. Before you go, I'm going to ask you to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can leave me a comment to tell me if you tried Quora Ads and how the results were. I'll be looking forward to your feedback. See you soon.